Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question on maximum power transfer theorem. This question has been asked in NELET exams. In this question it is said that in this given circuit, the value of RL has been asked for which maximum power will be dissipated across these RL resistors. These are the options given in this question. So let us see how can we solve this question. As we know from the maximum power transfer theorem that maximum power will be transferred to the load RL when RL will be equal to RTH, the Thevenin's equivalent resistance of the circuit. So we have to find out the Thevenin's equivalent resistance of this given circuit. Here we can see this RL terminal is connected across terminal A and B. So as we know, to find out Thevenin's equivalent resistance, ideal voltage sources will be short circuited and current sources will be open circuit. So we have short circuited the ideal voltage source and open circuited to ideal current source. If we find the equivalent Thevenin's resistance across terminal A and B, then we can see that this 12 ohm and 8 ohm are in parallel, 5 ohm and 6 ohm are in series. So 12 ohm and 8 ohm are in parallel and 5 ohm and 6 ohm are in series. And the equivalent of these two resistances will be in series. So it is connected in series. We can find out RTH value is 15.8 ohm. So from the maximum power transfer theorem, we can say that maximum power will be transferred when load is equal to the Thevenin's equivalent resistance of the circuit. So load resistance will be equal to 15.8 ohm, which is calculated at RTH in the circuit. So this is our answer.